So hello friends and welcome to Anka classes. So we'll continue with previous year's question analysis. Under 2015 lagi 2025 poki question analysis natra. Today is the koi trigonometry gi 1 mark kiloikre. So we'll continue with trigonometry 2 marks session number 1. Okay, so the question number later. In a right triangle ABC, right angle that B, show that cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. I see the question G, trigonometric identity proof to okay. So see the question 2011, 22, 25. So there is the hunger. So it's an important question. Okay. Now, right angle triangle yes, sigi right angle triangle is the sigi cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. Proof to haibini. There is a season agadoriba equina darkar tariba concept si karino haibamatanda Pythagoras theorem ama changani. Pythagoras theorem na kai hai. Right angle triangle amada hypotenuse square z lemhoriba perpendicular square plus base square tinjanabaga manai nadra si machangani mathangda sin theta haibasi kaino perpendicular by perpendicular by hypotenuse and cos theta haibasi base by hypotenuse. Concept ahumzi changani. Okay, so let us start with the solution. Okay. Oh, I call the right angle triangle ama man. Right angle triangle ama. Ek period ko. So solution. Natra. Right angle triangle ABC. ABC say right angle that B havenina. See there is the BC. See there is the and also given natra a right angled triangle A B C natra right angled at B natra sidagi sida aikoina remind to sigi matang sida ista aikoina lawgodori si cos A ni sin A ni adu oitadi aikoina theta laidoi si sigi angle sida ni ko gantai ko sigi angle sida ni aikoigi theta si laidoi si okay. Now adu oitadi sigi sina kai oirani aikoida perpendicular haibadu oirani sigi sina base oirani natra adu sigi sina kai oirani hypotenuse chantare ko so si myam ja identify tawraba matungda aikoida sila natra so using Pythagoras natra theorem we have Pythagoras theorem this is naraga aikoida kailani hypotenuse square AC square is equal to AB square or BC square plus AB square natra so this is the aikoigi Pythagoras theorem le natra sida is the aikoina kari tawni haibada sigi matungda dividing both sides natra by AC square. AC square is not divide to those. Okay, so we have AC square Z left hand side say AC square and divide to C and BC square plus AB square. How is issue AC square na divide to those. And so AC square how is the CN is the Katana Granny. Natra. So we have so there's the 1 letter which is equal to BC square by AC square plus AB square by AC square. This is going to IB. Okay. Adu oitadi 1 BC by AC whole square haibu chap manadra sija natra adumai tawdana AB by AC whole square haibu ga chap manai. Okay. Now here is the yengasi ko BC by AC haiji kenu BC is perpendicular, AC is hypotenuse. So BC by AC is the perpendicular by hypotenuse, which is nothing but sine of A. Natra. Similarly, AB by AC is the AB is the base ni natra. AC is na perpendicular ni, which is nothing but cos by cos A. Yareko. Adu oitadi si and easy substitute tobirasi. So 1 is equal to BC by AC is nothing but sine A whole square plus AB by AC is cos of A whole square. Natra. See the 1 is equal to sine square A plus cos square A. Natra. Man proof to here is the or man here is the cos square A plus sine square A is equal to 1. Left hand side ka right hand side ka on thok number 1 ida. So hence proved. So minus solve tokani. Okay. So sigi matang jida sigi identity je kari gumba sigi question ji mak natrasu proof tawana hai taradi hamba identity ji ai koina divide tawdori si hypotenuse nani ko. Please remember. Okay, hypotenuse na divide tawni. Okay. So sumaina solve tawni sigi question je. So now sigi question ji loiraba matungda question ama mo yengasi. Okay. Sigi question jina I cannot 2015 da hangiba question. Okay. Namchamba question ni value ama pyramid trigonometric ratios ka pyramid certain degrees ki aduga sigi values puto hai. Okay. Adu oitadi koi solution ji start rosiko. So there is the we have mana pyramid sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cos x 60 sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45 2015 the 2 marks ki. Okay, so answer is question ji thopirasi sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Okay. Now option B is the values में हमसे sin 30 degree दी ये क्या नो sin 30 degree 0 1 2 3 4 मतलब 0 30 sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Okay. Plus tan 45 degree is 1 minus cosec 60. Cosec 60 is sin 60 degree की reciprocal. So 0 30 45 60. So root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2. Okay. Similarly, sec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree is cos 30 की opposite reciprocal. So cos 30 is 0 30 root 3 by 2. So 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 degree is 0 30 45 60 1 by 2. Plus cot 45 is tan 45 ki reciprocal. Tan 45 is 1. So cot 45 is 1. So sida ki sida soibam le ra cosec 60 haibisi sin 60 ki opposite ni natra. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So c ki c 2 by root 3 ho kitab ni ko 2 by root 3. Okay. Now, there is the continue towards. So, mathak kiji LCM lobby LCM lobada 2 root 3 lere. Natra. So 2 na 2 root 3 divide towards the katara root 3. Natra. So there is the 2 root 3 lani. This is the minus 2 into 2. Okay. Similarly, wakagi LCM lobby 2 root 3 lani. Root 3 is divide towards 2 tarni 2 into 2 lani plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Now, see there is the 2 root 3 ga root 3 ga makagi 2 root 3 ga 2 root 3 ga this cancel out tong gani so mathang da ibido yare. Okay. So see there is the kai le root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4. Okay. Similarly, see there is the 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. So there is the we have here root 3 ga 2 root 3 ga combined to 6, so we have 3 root 3 minus 4. Okay. So there's a root 3 ga combined to 6, so 4 plus 3 root 3. Okay. See rationalize term by it's okay. Term mazuka shukaide, term mazuka shukaide, 2 marker nina, term mazu yanin kali. Okay. So see question is why solve only direct substitute toroga values. Okay. So session jigi last question oina 2 marker ama yengsi. The 2 markers in a hangiba question ji definition define angle of elevation and angle of depression. 2020 the 2 marks ki hangi. Okay, so diagram ani is A B C angle of elevation habam lera PQR angle of depression habam lera. Okay. So there is the angle of elevation. As you can know, have the angle of elevation of a point. Observe point C angle of elevation. Point C A niko is the angle formed by the line of sight. Line of sight. Haita the kari gumba sigi jina mid oita sigi B gi location jina. Okay. B gi location jina ge koi ne yeng halak to ise sigi jina natra. Adu oita di B gi location jina is the yeng halak kadoriba. Okay, so this is the mid layer angle. Natra. This is the angle of elevation layer. Okay. I koina see this is the observe point amalay. Natra angle of elevation of a point C in loro. Observe is the angle formed by the line of sight. Okay. Line of sight haita di kari gumba. I koina mid sidegi yenghalak ko si mani yenghalak to natro. Sidagi yenghalak ko si koina mid sidai da straight when yenghalak to ne. Okay. My yenghalak to ne midchina. Natra. Midchina my yenghalak ko si da sigi line of sight china my yenghalak ko si the line of sight china horizontal. Natra. Horizontal haibedi sigi BC. Okay, sigi BC ka form tawriba angle je sibu koina angle of elevation. Okay, so mid china B de lay matam ja mid china A ji angle ko matam da horizontal BC line jina horizontal ka form tawriba angle, so AB ga BC ga form tawriba angle du boy koina kari hair ka khangai angle of elevation. So the angle of elevation of a point observed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point observed is above the horizontal. Sina mathak. Okay. Now, chapmane angle of depression of a point. Okay. Observed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal. Chapmane ko mitchinas the layer. Okay. And the kizina mitchis layer. Here go. Mitchina aikoigi sidagi yeng dhare sigi point sida R sida. Okay, R harvest. Si yeng dhare ko matam da mit sigi horizontal di sigi line so koi dune QP. Natra Sigi QP ziga line of sight QR ziga form tauba angle dubo koina angle of depression kawi. Chap mane ani zi natra line of sight ani makte yongko common noise yongko ani makta line of sight ni natra line of sight ka horizontal ga ani zi karakta form tauba angle dune moin haisi natra. However ani zida difference kaino hai matamda sigi point A hari basi angle of elevation di horizontal gi mathak ta laye kyan tabra aduga yang kadriba point R hari basi angle of depression dana horizontal line gi makha da laygani. This is the only difference kyan tare ko aduna ama pharaga angle of elevation gi definition ama khak pharaga adum ama dudana angle of depression dana below the horizontal through the eye. Amana above the horizontal through the eye, amana below the horizontal through the eye. See any zigi kenabasi katani. Okay, get that aniko. Adunisi am like 2 markers na patna ni tholo. Anyways, today is the trigonometry ki session number 1 lo see and mathangi session da muk 1 marker gi question khara 2 markers question khara amuk nainga. Okay, so thank you for joining our classes. We will meet again.